And I'll give you a better look when when we're all set up and ready to go. Hi guys.
Hi.
Oh, Aaron's a tiger today. But we have some more Easter inflatables to unbox for you. We have a Minnie Mouse, a Mickey Mouse, and we have some Easter eggs. They're 7 foot wide. I got them on Collections Inc. etc.com. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the Mickey and the Minnie first. Or which one do you want to open first, Aaron?
Minnie.
Minnie. So we got these. I think I got these at...
I'm a very smart tiger.
You are. I think we got these at Home Depot. Every time I buy an inflatable that's Easter, it seems that's a character one, they're around $40.
That's the plug.
Alright, so this is the Gemmy Airblown brand, so it comes with the plug unattached.
Right.
Alright, let's see if she turns on, hopefully.
Taking a while. Is this on?
Alright, so the timer was kind of messed up, that's why it wasn't working at first. There she is!
Look at that little purple egg. With a bow, cute, because Minnie loves bows.
Oh my gosh, she's so adorable in her little pink outfit. You can see her super cute polka dot bow. She has an Easter egg with a bow on it. And her little pink outfit.
But she only has polka dots on the front.
Oh yeah, she doesn't have polka dots at the back. And she does have a little petticoat. And her beautiful little shoes with bows.
I'm your pet tiger.
You're my pet tiger?
Yeah.
Alright, that looks so cool.
Okay, Mickey now.
Now Mickey.
That works. Let me open it. I'm a tiger, but I'm just very small. I'm looking.
Alright, there's Mickey.
Now let's plug it in.
Alright. Let's go, Mickey.
Oh.
So Mickey's wearing his regular clothes. You can see his regular red shorts. And look at this Easter basket. He has a super cute blue Easter basket with some Easter eggs inside. These are 3.5 foot inflatables.
I always wonder if characters are really short.
Yeah, 3.5 feet tall. Well, yeah, so look at how cute they are. They are little Easter combo Mickey. It seems like we have a Mickey and Minnie for every holiday, almost. We probably need Thanksgiving.
Oh, yeah.
So what's going on over here is we have our St. Patrick's Day stuff that we're about to take off. And then we have a bunch of Easter inflatables to set up. We want to go ahead and do a video with that set up later. And then we're going to do another... We have some balloons for Easter too that we want to show you.
I'm going to drop again, guys.
Well,
Now these are supposed to be 7 feet long.
packed in there tight.
Oh yeah, it's the kind where you can't get them back in after you take them out.
Yeah, unless you have one of those vacuum sealer things.
Alright, so the cable is already attached on these eggs. So I hope they're, really big because they seem like it. I think it was around $50 for this.
Oh, maybe the fan's blocked.
There it goes. Oh, like there's one big egg in the middle. I bought these a while back. I don't remember what they look like. Alright, let's look at the fan here.
Normal.
The fan is a normal size fan.
Look, a little baby.
A little baby egg at the end.
Yeah, and also that's a sister. My heart is beating.
Oh my goodness, here they are now. The wind is picking up, of course. It always picks up when we have our inflatables up.
Now they're finally inflated. Look,
So here
it
you can
looks
see
so
the
cute.
eggs. Yeah, this one has flowers, and that one has like a little border on it.
It looks like you're wearing a flower crown.
A flower crown. Yeah, they're all different. It's so cute. And
I like
all
this
that,
one with the daisies.
all that we would need to show you is what they look like at night. Alright guys, this is what they look like when the lights are off. You could see how well lit the Mickey and the Minnie are. They look pretty good. And the eggs, so adorable. Now I'll give you a better look when when we're all set up and ready to go. Anyway, that's what they look like with the lights off. So let us know what you guys think of these new Easter inflatables. It's really windy. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.